In this video, I'll show you how to add admin commands to your Roblox game. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's get right into this. So you can either go and add admin commands to an existing game on Roblox or to a new one. In this case, I'm just going to go and create a new game in this example. So I'm just going to go and tap on base plate just like so and wait for it to load. Here it is, it's now loading. Now, the next thing you need to do is actually go to the top left of Roblox, and you first need to go and tap on view, just like so. And what you need to do is make sure toolbox is selected in this section here, so make sure it's selected there. Then go to home to the left of view, just like so. And once again, you need to make sure toolbox is selected here as well. Then what you're going to go and see is the toolbox section on the left hand side, hopefully. Now sometimes depending on the size of your screen, I'm pretty sure they merge the terrain editor and the toolbox, so you may need to go and switch between terrain editor and toolbox, but that's easy. There's literally a button at the bottom of it. Then all you want to do is make sure models is selected just like so, and then you want to go and search for Coles admin. So type it in KOHLS admin. And as you can see, there are actually quite a few of them. So to go and find the real one or the right one, what you need to do is hover your mouse over it, and you're going to go and notice at the bottom that it's got a percentage and then the amount of ratings as well. So this had 92% out of 100 and it's had 70k, where the one to the right of it has got 18% out of 100 and only 50. So it's pretty clear that this is the real one. So once you found the real one, what you want to do is hold and drag it in just like so, and you want to go and drop it just here. It's going to go give you a warning that it's got a script, but that's fine. Go and press OK. So here it is. Now, as you can see if we go from this side, if I can move over, it's actually invisible this side, but if I go across here, it's not invisible and it's completely visible if I can move around. As you can see, there it is. So what I recommend doing is, making it really high or hiding it in an object. So yeah, that's going to be up to you guys. I'm just going to keep it down here because it's a guide, but if you're actually creating a game with it, then you probably want to go and hide it somewhere. Now, what you need to do is once you've dragged it into your game is to move over to the right hand side to this section called Explorer. Then what you want to do is go and press on this downwards arrow to go and expand it on the left hand side, just like so. And then we've got these two options here, thumbnail, camera and credits. And then what you need to do is go and expand credit, just like so. And then we've got custom commands and settings, and we need to go and open up the settings. So go and double tap on the settings just like so, and here we are, it's now going to open up this script. Then in here you can go and choose who's actually going to go and get admin commands. So what I recommend doing is adding yourself to the owner because you're the owner, but if you're saying you've jointly created with a friend, you can also go and add your friend to owners. But then you've also got super admins, mods and VIP, so you can go and choose who gets these. Now you're probably wondering, how do I go and add them to this? So to go and add people, what you need to do is go and put your cursor right in the brackets just like so, and what you need to do is go and tap on the apostrophe button just like that, and when you tap on it once, it goes and puts 2 and puts your cursor in the middle. So then you can go and type in your Roblox username or the name of whatever player you want to be an admin or a mod, it doesn't matter, just type that in there. And then once you've added the name and it's in the apostrophes, then you can come and close off the settings just like that. Then we can go and tap on play, and I'm going to quickly show you that it's completely working. Of course, you can go and join the game from the Roblox website. I'm just doing this as a quick example in Roblox Studio. Then in a moment, we'll get this pop-up here saying Coles Admin Infinite, you're an owner. You can go and put CMDS. And then to go and view the commands, go and tap on the colon button on your keyboard and you get this bar here. And then type in CMDS just like so. And as you can see, it shows the command list. So hit enter and then it shows you everything you can go and use. It's that easy. So guys, if you found this useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like, subscribe for more. Peace.